Good morning, budgeting friends. Welcome back to Work Right Planner. On this channel, we talk about my budgeting journey as I learn about finance and try to pay off 6 figures of overall debt. Y'all, it's a lot. So if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. It means the world to me. And if you're new here, pull up a seat, stay a while. We're going to talk about the February 15th paycheck budget and see where we landed. And forgive the echo over here. It's having an off day, but you know how that goes. Let's jump in this. Okay, so the paycheck that we got for February 15th, $1,529.03. So that is more than the estimated $1,228. 2 thumbs up. We're already starting out the month good, but that means I need to flip over to the excess income page so that we can plan out what to do with that extra, $301. So yeah, let's do this. Okay, so this is our plan for how we use extra income, and we're just going to work that plan. So let me write in the information for this paycheck and we'll move forward. Okay, so the total paycheck was $1,529.03. We had already budgeted $1,228 and the buffer is 3 cents. So that of course cancels each other out. The difference between $1,529 and $1,228 is $301. So that takes care of these because our variable income budget does not have anything on it. We were able to account for everything during the month of February. So we can skip over that one, which brings us to this level. This amount is greater than or equal to 100, so I'm going to get 25. Yay! So 301 minus 25 leaves us with 276. So let me write in these categories so that we can plan out this 276. Okay, now we're going to get to the math that I'm not real good at doing in my head. So 276 is the number we're starting with, and we need to multiply that by 0.3 to get 30%. We're going to round this up to 83. So debt is going to get 83, and so will lipedema, however you want to say it. Okay, now reason says that you can just divide this in half to get the 15%, but it doesn't always work that way because we rounded. So we're going to take the 276 and we're going to multiply that by 0.15. See, that one I'm going to round down. So 41 and 41. And because we've rounded, it's not always exactly 10%. So let's do 83 plus 41 plus 41. And we're going to subtract 276 because the difference between the two, 28. So it is 10%. It's just rounded up 10%. So I'm going to plug these numbers into the paycheck. Okay, so I have added the appropriate amounts from the excess money. So now I just need to go through and copy these down. Okay, so all of the amounts are written in. Do you see how this kind of makes it easier to plan out your money instead of losing the $300? Because this one thing has helped me tremendously. Like making the big plan and plugging it in and having a plan before the month ever begins for what I'm going to do with the extra money that comes in. Okay, so all of these are the same, so they come out to be 231. We're going to take 1529.03 and subtract 231. So we've got 1298.03. Now we need to add this up. Okay, so that comes out to be 413. So 1298.03 minus 413 is 885.03. So hopefully that's what this comes out to be. So let's add all of that up. Ta-da! And it does come out to be 885.03, which means we have a zero-based budget. Okay, so that's everything budgeted out. This doesn't mean that we are spending every penny. This means that this is where we're allotting every penny. We have a plan for every penny. So yes, this is the key to me making my budget work, and I hope you guys found it helpful. My next video is going to be the cash stuffing that goes with this. So I need to plug all of this into my bank account information and figure out how much money I'm going to pull out to share with you guys. So be sure to join me for that one. In the meantime, if you're still in the mood to watch, YouTube's put the best match for you on the screen. I will see you all next time. Thank you so much for joining me today. Have a great couple days. Bye.